Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm at Bramley to do my weekly stadium update. See how the work's progressing. I'm not going to do any comments this week. I'm just going to be chilled about it, so I haven't got too many things going on in my hands now, so I can just be nice and chilled, flying around, have a little look around, and if I feel there's anything to talk about, I'll have a little chat about it, okay? But one thing you can see, even from here, is the roof truss is taking shape. Now, I did say that I had information that they're going to be going up on the 27th of October. We've been informed by now Everton that it'll be the 31st of October, I think. I'll double check if I need to correct myself on that. It'll be on the screen now. I'm sure it's the 31st of October. Yeah. Okay, so that's what I should have checked before I left the house, but pretty sure it's 31st. Okay, so we'll have a get in the air, get to the required footage that Everton wants, and stay outside the cranes and have a look around, okay? Well, let's fly over. If you look along here, the east and west stands are really taking the shape now. More and more work going on there, and that's, so we go down the centre of the screen there. Little roadway leading through, that they've made a little tunnel to get the vehicles in and out of the pitch site, if you like. All in the centre there, okay? So it's all connecting up well, as you can see. Going all the way around. It's all connected. Don't know if you can hear that kid going past. I'm a Liverpool fan, I found that funny. If you could hear what he was saying, the microphone picked it up. I am well above these cranes. I'm looking in the air at my drone and it's a dot. Yeah, it's miles away. But I haven't had a little chat about the ground for a while. I'm always talking about the comments. We'll have a nice little slow fly around. Okay. Stay outside the boundaries that Everton want us to stay outside. You see all the concrete terracing going in this north stand now as well. A little look down here. Okay, all completely filled. It's nice when I haven't got a little bit of paper in my hand reading all the comments off. Just really take it easy. Oh, let's stay outside. Hold on, this is new here, isn't it? I haven't seen this past some sort of... What is that? Does anyone know? Like, as I do watch all the other guys' videos, that, as I said, we're all in a WhatsApp group now, and we all have a little chat of what's going on. But what's this here? Interesting. Someone can let me know. Oh. Right, so this is going to be Everton's main stand, and this is going to be, you can just see how wide it is. It's going to be really impressive, this. It's a lot wider than all the other stands. Oh, let me get. Yeah. Okay. People comment that I say it's okay too much. I do apologise. It's just, I don't know. It's just part of my vocabulary. I tend to say it a lot. have a look down in this area as well, where there's going to be a car park and the canal getting reinstated through here, isn't it? Let's have a look down on this as well. I'm going nice and slow, as I don't want to. I don't want to rush it because I haven't got anything to cover, so. I'm going nice and slow down to for everyone. A little look down there now. It's building up quite well. It's building up like a multi-storey car park, isn't it? Let's get round here. So the stand that everyone is really interested in, the south stands, the blue wall as they want to call it. Once I get over the dock, I'll get low and do me sweep along this, and then get high and then have a little look down on it. Okay. Oh. Okay. Over the dock. Get a little bit closer. Still over the dock, although it looks down now. Okay. Let these people go past. I know the original architecture of this doesn't really want a bowl type stadium, but you can see the bowl taking shape there. It's obviously going to curl round and, you know, form corners, but it's going to be 4 separate stands, isn't it? Let's try and do something a little different of looking at the stands. Okay, you can barely see through the top part now, so let's go a little bit closer. Staying over the water, a little bit lower. And we'll have a look through there. Nice look in. So, as you can see, there's tons of work going on in there, you know. I don't want the video to go on for too long. We'll get right up now. And we'll have a scan across the top of it. Oh, we're going to get above the cranes. We can see the top of that crane now from the camera, so that means I'm above them. Try and keep within my boundaries that they want. Have a look down. The corners there, all the concrete terracing in. Looks great. Let's have a scan around from here. A little zoom in on the trusses. That one there. That one over there. And have a look at the north stand from the south stand side. Yeah, it looks all. Yeah, you know what? I've got my face right into my phone here, trying to get a good look, see if I can notice anything. I always seem to notice stuff when I get home and download the footage onto my phone, my iPad, and start me editing. Let's get a nice little pan around. And we're back where we started. So, we'll have a look at a little look up across the water to give people, the YouTube channel, to give you an idea of where we are in the city. Yeah, mate, yeah. Yeah. KC Imageworks. KC Imageworks. KC Imageworks.
Oh, I've seen you, mate.
Yeah, however, yeah.
When are you getting down?
What, sorry?
How often do you get down here?
Try and get down every Sunday. Because Everton like us to stick
You
in.
don't do no commentary, do you? Is that you?
No, I do the commentary, yeah.
Who's the fellow who doesn't do the commentary then?
Paul Frost.
Is that him, yeah?
Yeah, Paul Frost doesn't do commentary, yeah.
So I interrupted you there?
No, yeah, well, no, it's fine, mate, don't worry about it.
Right,
Yeah,
on, mate.
makes it interesting.
I'll have a little look anyway on YouTube.
Yeah.
Have a nice day.
Nice one, mate, cheers, see you later, ta-ra. I'm a red.
I'm a red as well.
Yeah. It's alright, isn't it? See you later. Yeah, sorry about that, nice fella, just wanted a little chat. So get back to where I was. So there's the city centre down there. Pan right across. Right down the estuary down there, so you head towards Egbert, Garston, Speak, down that way. And one more. Now we're heading to the more North Liverpool areas of Everton, Anfield, Schubrugge. But there's Anfield in the distance there. Now coming across towards Vauxhall, Kirkdale, Walton. So I just pan back. There's Goodison Park. And then we'll get down this way, so we'll go a bit slower. You got Bootle, Seaford, Crosby, Waterloo, Seaforth Docks, there's Seaforth Dock Cranes down there. Just give people an idea, who are from the city to, in relation to where the ground is. And obviously we got New Brighton, Four Perch Rock Lighthouse. Then the Wirral. That's a great sunset, that. Look at that, it's nice there. I'll take a picture of that before I leave as well. But yeah, so I'll leave it there for now, guys. Yeah, it was nice and chilled. Didn't have anything in my hands to distract me, so yeah, if you like it, please subscribe. Leave any comments that you think I might have missed out or I've got wrong. Chance I have got some things wrong, I always do. And if you like the video, just like it, give it a thumbs up. And I'm going to stay in the F bit, take some photographs. I'll put them on at the end. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye now.